Welcome one more time to Cookin with Hilda. Have you ever heard about never judge a book by its cover? Well, that can be applied to the recipe we're gonna make today. It's called frijolitos blancos con costilla. They may not look very attractive, but trust me, I know you will love them. To start the recipe, you choose the beans you want to work with. The family of beans is very big. There's a lot of variety of colors and textures in the beans family. You can, of course, always choose your favorite. Traditionally, this recipe is made with white beans. We clean the beans and we add some spices and water and we start cooking it. My favorite method to use and to cook the beans is low and slow. In my house, in my kitchen, takes hours. You can smell the beans from outside my house because I like to cook them very low and slow to ensure a little more softness and more flavor infused in each bean. Now this is another switch I did from the recipe. The traditional recipe is made with pork ribs. I enjoy more the beef ribs, so I switched that, but feel free to use whatever you enjoy more. Now we seal the ribs and we add it to the beans. Oh, something I forgot to mention at the beginning is that this is a super easy recipe. You just put all the ingredients inside and let them cook low and slow, and you will have a guaranteed delicious meal for your family with little effort. Now, after a few hours, you check the ribs. Are they perfectly cooked? Are they soft? And the beans delicious? Is the flavor okay? And that's it. You can serve them with rice and maybe some fresh handmade tortillas. So delicious. The costillitas with white beans, delicious.
Despacio, despacio.
Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cookin with Hilda, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.
La habitación, siente la presión. En la habitación.